What's up, Sunny fan? This is Chaz. Take you guys through a quick 10-minute workout. Minimal equipment. All you need is a mat and someplace nice to sit and get set up. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're gonna start with some penguin sit-ups, okay? I want you to lay flat on your back, chin to chest. We're condensing that core, keeping it engaged 100% of the time. Arms out straight to the waist. We're gonna hinge at the waist, making sure you don't pick your back up off the ground and you don't lay flat. You wanna be right in between, okay? From there, we're gonna go for a minute straight, reaching towards your heels. Deep inhale and exhale, ready, and let's go. Reach, back to center, reach, back to center. Make sure you don't combine the movements into one, but you stop at the center. All the while, focus on that breathing. Make sure you don't hold that breath. Deep inhale and exhale. We're reaching, we're reaching, we're reaching. More hinge than anything else. Keep it up, keep it up. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Go ahead and relax your head to the mat. Catch your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Make sure you're really careful with that neck. You don't want to make sure you jerk your chin to your chest and you don't jerk the way back down. Always want to be protective of that neck. Catch your breath. We got about 30 more seconds of rest. From here, we're going to go straight into our Russian twist. Russian twist, we want you to lean back. If you can, feel free to take those feet off the ground. If not, relax those feet straight to the ground. That's your modification of the day, okay? We got about 10 seconds left. We're gonna reach all the way across, making sure that that opposite elbow comes back behind the body. It really is pointless if you don't get that full rotation. Ready? And tap, tap. Just like that. Beautiful. Focus on your breathing. Like I said, if you're struggling to keep those feet up, go ahead and lower them to the ground. If that's easy, raise them a little bit higher. All the while getting that full rotation. Beautiful. Good, good. Almost there, you guys. A couple more breaths. Keep it up, 15 seconds, you guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently lower the feet and catch your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. If you need to grab some water, now's the perfect time. Grab some water. Don't grab too much, don't want to waterlog yourself. Quick breaths. Deep inhale and exhale. Our next exercise. This time you're gonna be laying all the way flat onto your back. Feet up into the air. The further your feet are away, the harder this exercise becomes. The straighter, more above your body the feet are, the easier. That being said, pull those toes back. These are toe touches. We're gonna do small jabs with the core. I don't want you to bring your hands in each time. Keep them fully extended from beginning to end, okay? We have about 10 seconds, chin to chest the whole time. Once again, we're condensing that core. You don't want to be here and then keep raising and lowering the neck. You want to keep the chin to chest engaged the whole time. Ready? And let's go. Just like that. If you can reach your toes, great. If you can't reach your toes, go for the ankles. If you can't reach your ankles, go for the shins. There's always some place to reach. Focus on that breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. A couple more breaths. Almost there, 10 more seconds, you guys. And time. Slowly lower those feet and go ahead, relax your head to the mat. Catch your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Very nice, guys, very nice. We're working hard. Very nice. Catch your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. This next one is gonna be a standard plank. Elbows and toes. No movement, but all we wanna do is focus on that breathing. The more breathing, the better. You don't wanna hold your breath. If you start turning purple, then you're doing it wrong. From there, roll over onto your stomach. Feet to feet together. Try and keep the heels directly over the toes. You don't wanna be too far lean forward. You don't wanna be too far lean back. Heels directly over the toes, okay? We got about 15 seconds. Keep those palms flat to the ground. Back nice, straight, and arched. We're up in 10 seconds. Deep, get your last couple breaths in. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and go ahead and lift up. Just like that. Focus on your breathing. And just staying nice and consistent. Good breaths. Keeping those hips up. No saggy middles and no camel butts. Very nice, guys, very nice. Keep it up, keep it up. Don't let those hips drop. Keep that belly button drawn into that spine, nice and engaged. Real nice, guys, real nice. We're almost there. You got about 10 more seconds. You guys are killing it. Keep it up, keep it up. Beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower the knees and slowly lower the chest. Catch your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Big, powerful breath. One good way to really help that recovery is to focus on that breathing. The more you breathe, the faster your body will recover. The less you breathe, the more you're gonna struggle. Good breathing. This next one, we're gonna be doing a starfish. Lay down on your back, and I want you to spread out like you're making a snow angel. We all remember that, right? Hands and feet out, just like that. First things first, you're gonna start by lifting the chin to your chest, keeping it nice and engaged, just like we talked about before. Second, you'll lift those hands just an inch off the ground. Nothing too high, just like that. Palms to the ceiling. Lastly, pointing those toes to the ceiling. Make sure they're not pointed out like a W. You're gonna raise those heels just an inch off the ground. Ready? And lift. And just like before, focus on that breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. Very nice. Nice and engaged, you guys. Keep it up, keep it up. Keep that chin to your chest and keep focusing on that breathing. Point those toes to the ceiling. Don't let them flare out like a W. You want to keep those hips internally rotated. Palms up to the ceiling, chin to chest. We're almost there, you guys. Keep it up. Focus on that breathing. We have less than 15. We have about 10 seconds left. Very nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly lower those heels, hands, and the head, and just let your breath come back to its normal breathing rate. Deep inhale and exhale. In the nose and out the mouth. Breathing is one of the best exercises you can do for every muscle in the body when it comes to recovery, when it comes to work. So really focus on getting that recovery breath in. Fill the lungs on each inhale, empty on each exhale. Couple more breaths. And exhale. Lastly, and exhale. Awesome. That was our core. Let's move straight to the lower body, guys. We're gonna go over a couple key compound exercises. Will be great to follow up with after you get done with some core. See you guys on this next part.